In this video, let's understand the STO, RCL and the MEM buttons. So, suppose you want to add 50 and 85. So first we will store these two values in different numbers. 50, then we press on STO, which stands for store, and suppose we store it in the number 1. Now let's take suppose 85, again store, and this time we store this in the number 2. Now if you want to add 85 and 50, you can simply press on RCL, which stands for recall. So recall 1 plus recall 2, and when you press on equal to, it will give you the addition of 85 and 50. So now we'll see what the MEM stands for. When you press on second and the digit 0, and when we use the downward arrow, we'll see that it will give us the stored values, and this stands for memory. So 50 and we had 85. Since we didn't enter any other numbers, this is 0.